Evil killed by police in St. Elizabeth. Another motorist killed in collision with a cow. 2 men found murdered in Vineyard Town identified. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police stated that one of Westmoreland's most feared gunmen was shot and killed during a confrontation with cops in Bird Savannah Lacova in St. Elizabeth Wednesday morning. He has been identified as Nicholas Reuben, otherwise called Evil. The police stated that a Beretta pistol and with 5.9mm cartridges were seized. Meanwhile, head of St. Elizabeth Police, Acting Superintendent Coleridge Minto, stated that the police are keeping a close watch on several persons who have been charged for serious offenses and have given residents addresses in the parish to the courts. A man is dead and 2 other persons hospitalized following a motor vehicle collision on Bay Road in Little London, Westmoreland, on Wednesday. The deceased has been identified as 22-year-old Christopher Samuels of Darling Street in Savannah Lamar in the parish. The police stated that about 2:20 a.m., Samuels was a passenger in a Toyota Corolla Axio motorcar which was being driven towards Negril. Upon reaching a section of the roadway, a car walked into the path of the vehicle, causing a collision. The driver lost control of the vehicle and hit the tree. The 3 persons in the vehicle sustained serious injuries and were taken to hospital where Samuels was pronounced dead and the others hospitalized. The police have identified 2 men whose remains were found in knit bags in Vineyard Town, Kingston 3 on Monday. They are 19-year-old Calheim Campbell, a construction worker of Hampstead Road, Kingston 2, and 21-year-old Omar Lawrence, otherwise called Marco, also of a Homestead Road address.